The dark web, a hidden segment of the internet not indexed by traditional search engines, remains a critical space for privacy-focused users, journalists, cybersecurity researchers, and law enforcement. But accessing it in 2025 requires updated tools, enhanced security measures, and a clear understanding of legal and ethical boundaries. Unlike the surface web, accessible via Chrome or Safari, or the deep web, private databases and paywalled content, the dark web operates on encrypted networks like Tor, I2P, and Freenet, ensuring anonymity through multi-layered encryption and decentralized routing. To access the dark web securely in 2025, the first step is downloading the latest version of the Tor browser, or alternative privacy browsers like Brave with Tor integration, which masks your IP address by bouncing traffic through a global network of volunteer-operated relays. However, with increasing surveillance and advanced tracking techniques, simply using Tor may not be enough. Additional precautions like VPN over Tor, connecting to a VPN before launching Tor, or Tor over VPN, routing Tor through a VPN, enhance privacy by preventing your ISP from detecting Tor usage, though each method has trade-offs in speed and security. Once connected, users can explore dark websites, ending in Onion for Tor, I2P for I2P, via directories like the Hidden Wiki, or search engines like DuckDuckGo's Tor Mirror, though many legitimate dark web platforms now use self-certifying naming systems to avoid phishing traps. Security in 2025 demands stricter measures, disabling JavaScript, which can leak metadata, using Tails OS, a live Linux OS that routes all traffic through Tor and leaves no trace, and employing hardware-based isolation, such as Qubes OS, to prevent malware infections. Cryptocurrencies like Monero, often abbreviated as XMR, remain the preferred payment method due to their untraceability. Though Bitcoin, with coin-join mixing, is still used on some markets, always verify PGP-signed vendor profiles to avoid scams. Ethical considerations are paramount. While the dark web hosts whistleblower platforms like SecureDrop, privacy tools, and uncensored libraries, it also harbors illegal marketplaces and harmful content. Researchers and journalists must follow strict operational security, often called OPSEC, never revealing personal details using burner devices for sensitive investigations, and adhering to legal guidelines when reporting findings. Governments in 2025 are deploying AI-driven traffic analysis to de-anonymize Tor users making bridge relays, which are obfuscated entry points, essential for bypassing censorship in restrictive regimes. For cybersecurity professionals, dark web monitoring tools like Dark Owl Vision or Silent Push automate threat intelligence gathering without direct exposure. The future of dark web access will likely involve quantum-resistant encryption and decentralized identity systems to counter state-level surveillance. Whether for privacy, research, or activism, accessing the dark web in 2025 requires continuous adaptation to emerging threats, balancing anonymity with ethical responsibility in an increasingly monitored digital world.